guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video we are gonna be unboxing and reviewing this wireless mini microphone from Movo. So this is made especially for cameras, and this is like a lapel mic that you can clip onto your clothes, so it will improve the audio of your video. So I don't know a lot about microphones and audios in general, and I'm not quite sure what to buy that is really good for my Canon camera. And this is one of the affordable brands out there that I have found that is made specifically for a camera, so I'm gonna try it out. So if you're interested to see this unboxing and review, please keep on watching, and without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Also, if you're interested to check out this microphone, I have the link in the description box below. So this is a 2.4 GHz wireless microphone system for devices with a 3.5mm TRS jack. It comes with one wireless mini transmitter, one wireless mini receiver, one foam windscreen, which is this little black thing. It also comes with this cute carrying case so you won't lose your microphone. And also two USB-C charging cables so you can charge the microphone and the receiver at the same time. Here is the microphone up close. It's very sleek in design. I love that it looks very slim, and also it's a clip-on, so as you can see at the back, this is where you can clip it on your clothes, which makes it very convenient to use. So here is my camera, and I do have a 3.5mm TRS jack in here where we can plug in the receiver. And it really fits perfectly in here. It looks very seamless actually, because it looks like it's blending in with the camera. It looks like it's part of the camera. In here, it's not very distracting that you have a microphone, so I like it so far. Okay, so it also comes with a little handbook in which you can read all the features and instructions in here, which is good. Okay, so let's give the microphone a try now, and I'm gonna press the power button in here. And the status indicator is lighting up now, and from the handbook it says that if it's a solid blue light, it means that it is paired with the receiver. And the receiver also has a solid blue light. So now that it's paired, let's clip it on and we can test it now. Okay, so as you can see, I just clipped on the microphone and I think it's paired and on. And I can see that on the receiver, it is also solid blue light, which means that it is paired. Okay, so now let's compare the audio with and without the microphone. Okay, so this is the video where I'm not using the microphone. So this is just purely the microphone from my camera. Okay, so this is what it sounds like when I have the microphone on. So I hope there is a difference. Okay, so at this point, I still haven't heard the result if I have my microphone on in this video. So hopefully it makes a difference. But I am in a pretty quiet area, so it might sound better than when I'm in a loud environment. I'm not sure how the noise cancellation on this works, but this is how it should sound like so far. Okay, so I'm also trying to record while I'm walking to just make sure that the audio is still stable and it still sounds decent compared to just sitting down. So here I am going to the office. Okay, also I just added like this, I'm not sure what it's called, like a pop filter or like this filter in here, but I don't know, I'm not sure if it's making any difference, but we shall see. This is how it sounds like with this thing on. So hopefully it's so much better than without the microphone. Hopefully this microphone improves the audio of my videos. Okay, so far that's it for the test and review for this product. So far what I can say is that it's very easy to use, and I like that it is very sleek and just tiny compared to the other microphone that I've seen that is like really big. At least this is like sleeker and it's not too distracting when you are using it, especially in public. And also I like how easy it is to clip on, and that I didn't have any issues when I have set it up. Okay, so I am still in search for
the best microphone probably out there. This is just my beginner microphone for now that is affordable. At least I won't feel bad if it doesn't really work out that well. So if you're watching this and if you have any recommendations on microphone that I should use and try out, please leave it in the comment section down below.